Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable two-step verification on the Viber app on your phone. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that only you can access your Viber messages and personal information. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. After opening Privacy, find and click on Two-Step Verification. Then, click on Create PIN Code. You will be asked to enter a unique PIN code that you can easily remember, but is difficult for others to guess. After entering your PIN, tap Next and confirm your PIN by entering it again. Then click Next to proceed. Next, Viber will prompt you to enter your email address. This email will be used to reset your PIN if you ever forget it. Enter your email and tap Next, then confirm your email address by entering it again and click Next. Viber will send a verification message to your email. Open the email, find the verification message, and click on Confirm Email to complete the process. Finally, your two-step verification is now enabled. This means your Viber account is more secure, and you will need your PIN along with your login credentials to access your account.